Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and let's get right into these hair details because she is one I want y'all to know about. This is Wiggins Hair, their 16-inch 250% density curly 13x4 frontal wig. I have not worn a frontal in a while, so shout out to Wiggins Hair for having it pre-plucked. Y'all, it was pre-bleached and it looks so amazing. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a very simple install. This would be a low ponytail, and the lace on this, look, just wait. I need y'all to see how the lace looks on me, okay? The only thing I do recommend is go ahead and tinting the lace or adding some makeup to make it your skin tone. This really helps it to blend and lay more seamless when you're getting ready to install. As y'all can tell, I'm so excited, but this is another close-up of that hairline, and I'm just really trying to get it to fit exactly where I want it because it's the perfect fit and it's the perfect hairline to give scalpiana. When cutting the lace off, I do like to use some duck clips just to make sure the hair is out of the way so we're not cutting the hair and only cutting the lace. This is the part where you're going to tailor it to fit your head perfectly. I didn't have to take much off, but I do like to go in and make sure that it's snug around my ears, and if I'm not wearing it glueless, to get ready for my adhesive. Today I'll be using the Even Wonder lace bond, and I just use that along my hairline. It is safe on my edges, and then I'm taking the box to kind of fan it dry a little bit before I pull the wig down. This helps it be a little tacky so I can go in and lay that lace right on top of it. I do like to go on top with that Even Wonder lace also. I guess you can call this kind of like that double melt. And then I take my blow dryer really quickly to help it dry. And then I go in with the melt band that comes with the wig just to help everything melt and lay on down. One thing I really like about this hair is so full, 250% density, y'all. Look at how pretty this hair is. If you want to wear it straight out of the box, you can do that. Just look how beautiful this hair is. But for me, I am going to go ahead and define the curls because I like to wear my hair for a few days. So defining it just lets me be able to let it get old as the days go on because I love me some day 3, day 4, day 5 hair. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Look at this hairline. Wiggins Hair, you guys plucked this wig perfectly. I haven't had a frontal in a while, so I was kind of nervous to install it, but this came out really good. I'm very impressed. Go ahead and use your eyebrow archer or some type of razor to slowly cut off that lace. The hairline of this wig made it really easy for me to go in and cut it off. I've had troubles in the past cutting lace, but I can say that this was one of the easier times that I've cut lace off, and look at that melt. I'm very impressed, and it was with Even Wonder lace, which is technically still glueless. I did not use no glue, only Even Wonder lace. So at this point in the video, I'm gonna let you guys vibe out as I define these curls, only using water and a little bit of mousse inside the water. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. All the information on this hair will be down below, so if you're interested, you know what to do. Click down below to check it out. Shout out to Wiggins Hair, and yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I would love for you to join the fam and come join me on this journey, and we're gonna be doing our hair, y'all. We're gonna be getting to it. So shout out for what's to come. 2024, we're coming for you. All right, so subscribe to stay tuned and join the fam, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.